The scope of a strategic underground project includes undergrounding the line from the pole to the customer's house, called the service line. If your service line is currently overhead, Dominion Energy will look at options to install the new underground cable at or near the meter base. A meter base adapter may be needed for some customers whose meter base isn't big enough to accept the underground cable. We will work with each property owner one-on-one to determine if a meter base adapter is needed. Once the new underground service line is installed, we will remove the old overhead lines from your home. Occasionally, there may be some obstructions such as decks or patios which may create challenges with replacing the overhead service line to your house and placing it underground. These unique situations will be addressed with homeowners to review all of the options on how to best get the underground line to their home. We look forward to working together to improve your electric service reliability.